Hello, friends. Welcome. Today, we're going to empower you to take back control and change your life. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to get back on track and transform your life. Let's get right in. Taking back control is about reclaiming authority over aspects of your life that you've let slip through your fingers, a vital step for personal growth. It involves understanding what you can manage and making intentional choices to steer your life in the direction you desire. Often, people feel powerless, which can stem from various life situations such as job loss, relationship issues, or health problems. This sense of powerlessness can lead to stress, anxiety, and a decrease in life satisfaction, impacting daily activities and overall well-being. History is rich with figures who have seized control of their destinies. Consider Rosa Parks, whose refusal to give up her seat didn't just challenge societal norms, but also catalyzed a significant movement in the civil rights era, altering the course of history. Psychologically, feeling out of control is often tied to a lack of agency or choice in situations. This sensation can trigger your fight or flight response, leading to heightened stress and anxiety, which paradoxically can further decrease your sense of control. Key life areas where control often slips away include finances, health, and relationships. Losing grip in these domains can be disorienting and demoralizing, creating a vicious cycle of stress and helplessness that can hamper your growth and happiness. Recognizing what you can and cannot control is the first step toward personal empowerment. Start by distinguishing between your reactions and the external events that trigger them. This clarity is crucial for effective decision-making. Gaining control over your thoughts begins with mindfulness. Practice observing your thoughts without judgment, which allows you to recognize patterns and triggers. This awareness is key to redirecting your mental energy towards more constructive pathways. Setting clear, achievable goals is essential for taking back control. Break larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks, and set realistic deadlines. This method not only simplifies complex projects, but also boosts your confidence as you achieve each milestone. Developing self-awareness is vital in understanding your emotions and behaviors. Reflect regularly on your decisions and their outcomes. This process helps you identify what strategies work best for you, enhancing your ability to control future situations. Mindfulness keeps you anchored in the present, helping you focus on what you can control. Regular practices like meditation can train your brain to concentrate on current tasks and dismiss distractions, fostering a greater sense of control. Managing stress and anxiety effectively begins with recognizing triggers and implementing coping mechanisms like deep breathing or meditation. These practices not only reduce immediate symptoms, but also help you build long-term resilience against stressors. Habits play a crucial role in taking control of one's life. By identifying and altering negative habits, you can set new positive patterns that foster better decision-making and proactive lifestyle choices. The environment where you spend most of your time can significantly influence your ability to maintain control. Optimizing this environment to be supportive and free from distractions can enhance your focus and personal efficacy. Technology offers powerful tools for tracking progress in various aspects of life, from health metrics to financial management. Utilizing apps and software can help keep you accountable and provide insights on areas needing improvement. Learning to say no is a vital skill for regaining control over time and decision-making. It allows you to prioritize your goals and avoid overcommitment, thereby reducing stress and enhancing focus on your personal objectives. Dealing with setbacks is crucial in regaining control after failure. It's important to analyze what went wrong, learn from it, and adjust your strategies. This resilience not only helps you in recovery, but also strengthens your personal growth. Resilience plays a pivotal role as you journey to take back control. It allows you to endure the ups and downs, ensuring that each challenge is met with courage and a willingness to persevere. The stories of individuals who have regained control in their lives inspire and teach us. From overcoming financial ruin to rebuilding after personal loss, These narratives provide practical lessons and hope for our own paths. Improving your relationships and communication is a significant benefit of taking control. Clear, respectful interactions foster stronger connections, which in turn support a more controlled and fulfilling life, enhancing both your personal and professional relationships. Budgeting and financial planning are essential for maintaining control over your finances. By setting realistic goals and tracking expenses, you can avoid debt, save for the future, and reduce financial stress. Physical health is significantly enhanced by a tailored fitness routine. Establish a regimen that aligns with your capabilities and goals. This will not only boost your strength and stamina, but will also fortify your mental resilience and self-discipline. Nutritional choices play a pivotal role in taking control of your well-being. By focusing on balanced, wholesome diets, you can influence your physical condition and emotional stability, empowering you to handle life's challenges with more vigor and clarity. Effective time management transforms how you navigate daily activities. Learning to prioritize tasks and allocate time wisely will ensure that you maximize productivity while preserving time for relaxation and self-care, leading to a more balanced lifestyle. The quality of your sleep directly impacts your ability to function and control your mood. Establishing a regular sleep schedule and creating a restful environment are crucial steps towards enhancing your overall health and daily performance. Cultivating a support network is invaluable in maintaining control over your life. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people. This will provide encouragement, share insights, and help you stay committed to your personal growth goals. The role of professional help, such as coaching or therapy, is vital in regaining control over your life. These experts provide guidance, accountability, and strategies that tailor to your personal struggles, facilitating a smoother path to empowerment. Long-term strategies are essential for sustained control. Setting up routines, continuous learning, and adapting to changes enables you to maintain grip on the areas of life you have worked hard to manage. Celebrate small victories, for this is crucial in the journey of personal growth. These celebrations boost morale and motivation, reminding you of your progress and reinforcing your commitment to your goals and new control strategies. Remember the importance of embracing the process of taking back control of your life. Each step, no matter how small, is a part of a transformative journey that leads to a more fulfilling and controlled life. Start making changes today. Embrace each challenge and seek support when needed. The journey to reclaim control is continuous but rewarding, leading to significant personal growth and satisfaction. Take back control and change your life today. Please subscribe to this channel for more motivating and uplifting videos.